Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to have a quick overview of the pipeline. There have been some nice upgrades and changes. And in case you haven't used pipelines before, pipelines are extremely important for tracking your leads and their progress from introduction, first contact, all the way to closed sale. And of course, using Go High Level, you can automate that entire process, or you could do it manually by dragging and dropping leads. So let's go over it real quick, and I'll show you some of the new stuff as well. Here is obviously a blank account. These are made up contacts just for this quick video. Okay, so here we are in what's called a list view, which is up here. If I wanted to see a different view that shows these contacts as cards, I can simply click here, and there they are. And these are each of the fields within this particular pipeline called your promotion pipeline. You see there's a down arrow here, so you can easily access all of your pipelines. You can have as many pipelines as your heart's desire. So for a special promotion, for instance, you can set up, you probably should set up a pipeline for that. And other things. So here we have our fields: new leads, hot leads, booking requested, and booking confirmed. And then we have our contacts. Depending on what stage they are in, the contacts are then placed in here using automations and tags for the contacts. So for instance, I have two here under new leads, and then I have one hot lead here, appointment requested here, and appointment booking confirmed here. So here, let's go over some of these things. So for instance, in the card, each of the cards, so each of your contacts within the pipeline, you can go here and view conversations. And what that does is it allows you to see, any text messages or emails going back and forth between you and them. You can also see here that there are tags already assigned to this contact. One of them is follow-up, and the other one is event attendee. So they may have attended an event that you put on, a presentation or something. And then this one over here is discussed potential, let's see here, discuss potential deal expansion. Okay, so these are under notes within the contact record, right? You remember that you have notes in your contact record. So basically you can access a lot of the contact details right from here, from your opportunities. And here's a new thing: you can now also add an appointment. So for instance, say we wanted to go to this one because he did request an appointment. We can simply go add appointment, and then, of course, choose new appointment, which then takes you to your calendar, and you can then set it up that way. Once that appointment is confirmed, then you can simply drag and drop him right there. See? Another great thing is if you have a team. You have a team of sales reps, for instance, and you're looking at this pipeline and said, well, okay, who's Casey Morgan assigned to? Who's handling her file, her case? So you can simply assign someone to Casey right from here, or you can do it when you should do it when the contact is first created. But if there's no assigned team member, you can assign them right from here. If there is, it will tell you. It will tell you the name of the person that this particular lead is assigned to. So simply just by looking at it, very easily. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you is manage fields. So here on the right hand side, we can manage a lot of what's going on here. So let's take a look at that. So here's the card preview, right? This is showing us what's in here now. So we didn't want all of that information. We don't really need it. So you have three options. You have several options. You can customize it. Or you can go compact view, see, and it just gives you these two things here, or unlabeled or default, which is what we have now. Okay, and here's where you can turn things on and off. Say you don't need opportunity source. Well, we can see how we just deleted that. Business name, obviously we want. Opportunity owner, we want that as well. And the smart tags, yep, you may want that as well. What if we wanted to add fields? Well, we can go down here to other details. And now we can even add things like, when was this contact first created? When was it last updated? What was the last status change date? Days since the last stage change, and then a bunch of others, right? Days since last updated. Okay, so you can add or remove any one of those simply by checking it. Like, say we wanted to check that, okay? And then say I decided, nah, I don't really want it, so I uncheck it here. Okay, and then over here, primary contact details. Well, maybe we want some of this stuff on here, you know? The next task due date, right? You can add that so that then it shows up in the contact record as you see here. Next task due date is, and then it gives you the date and time. The engagement score is actually very good to have, but again, you need to have the that set up, which is not hard to do. And I have a video already that I did a little while ago showing you how to set up a lead score. Contact email, contact phone, and then opportunity details. Here we can do pipeline, a specific stage or status, or opportunity source. So that type of thing. Oh, another thing you can look at is dashboard insights. So again, this is a blank thing, but just click on the dashboard and you can see, you can see all this information via a dashboard. Is basically, if you prefer to see it this way. Plus you have some, the lost opportunities, opportunity count, won opportunities, lost opportunities, and the dollar values for each. And then you can add these things. You can, so for instance, say you want, let's see, opportunity count. Okay, say you want to take this one off. Well, you can simply confirm and add these to your account's dashboard. Okay, and just to wrap things up, you know that you can filter out your list here. You can filter by status. You can filter by just about any field. Here, what's won, what's been lost, what's the last update, that type of thing. And there's also bulk actions. Say you wanted to move these, say you wanted to export them or whatever, you could go to quick actions and then you can hit edit, import, or delete. And that's it. So listen, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the pipeline and start using it for yourself to really, really track your progress and your leads, and from start to finish, every step of the way. Please, just give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe, as I do these quick tips fairly often to keep you up to date on your Go High Level account. If you're thinking about using Go High Level, or you already have Go High Level but would really like me to come in and set it all up for you so that you can get up and running a lot faster. I also include some training in that, I don't just set it up and walk away and leave you guessing. We're going to talk Well, let's talk. We have a lot of communicate. We'll have a lot of communication between us, so I know exactly what you need, and then I'll, after it's all set up, I'll walk you through it so that you understand how it all works. Um, you can simply go to gohighleveltrialbonus.com, and in here you can see that I offer a quick start system, 12-step quick start system. This is basically everything that I can do, for I can do it all or just a few things depending on what your needs are. And again, it's the gohighleveltrialbonus.com. And again, here you have three options. If you're new to Go High Level, you just want to try it out, that's fine, no problem. You just want to go through Go High Level, that's fine. You can just click here, use my affiliate link. If you want a done for you setup, okay, you want to use Go High Level, you haven't signed up yet, and you'd like me to then come in and set it all up for you, then you can choose this one, and I'll walk you through step by step what to do. And then is say you already have Go High Level, but you really haven't done much with it yet. You need some help setting it all up for you. That's where I come in as well, and you can just click on this third one here, which will then take you to a checkout, and where you can then book an appointment with me, and we'll talk via Zoom about exactly what you need and what you're looking for. So anyway, guys, thank you so much, and have a great day. Take care.